Today we talk about how can you disable show your follower count on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on account settings here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down and you come here to show your follower count, clicking this sign or this color. So the like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here, like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean show your follower count disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.